everyone, Matt Metzger here with ABI Sports Turf, home of the ABI Force. I am joined today by Cameron from Dura Edge. Cam, really appreciate you hanging out with us. Cam has been working with Dura Edge for a number of years, has been installing fields for how long now?
15 years at least.
15. Yeesh.
Getting old.
All of us. We're all getting old.
That's right.
So one of Cam's go-to tools when he's installing renovating fields is the ABI Force. Why is that?
The precision that the ABI Force offers is a real game changer for us when we're out on the ball field. And to be able to take a machine like this and laser grade, nail board, and then put a game finish on the field is been very good for our business.
So I know the Force has not existed as long as you've been installing fields. What were you using before the Force?
I was using a piece of equipment that was similar in blade width and size, but ultimately just didn't have that fine-tuned precision that we get out of the ABI Force.
So now, I'm sure you work, it's not just you out there, I'm sure you've got crews that you're working with. Talk to us about how you train your crews to use the ABI Force. Usability, can everybody use it? Is it a select few? How does that work?
We've had a lot of guys from very experienced operators to first time on a piece of equipment. And to be able to get them on there and set them up and show them the ins and outs has been very easy for us. The machine goes as fast or as slow as you need it, and it does exactly what you want once you get the laser set up and things are ready to go. So we've had great success with educating people and have done a lot of training with guys that are using them, and it's been very well.
Right on. So a lot of people who've come through STMA today, we're sitting here STMA 2020, a lot of people that have come through the booth are doing what you're doing. They're looking at that Force going, man, is this the right tool for me? What would you tell them if they are looking to renovate fields, install sports turf fields? What would you tell them to say, hey, this is something to consider? I
would definitely say that as a multi-use piece of equipment, this machine is definitely the one I would go with. From construction to day-to-day maintenance, it has been a real good addition to our fleet of equipment.
Cam, I appreciate your time, sir.